What you doing, bud?
What's in there?
It's hamburger meat for the spaghetti. What are you doing?
It started bubbling.
It's bubbling?
It started bubbling.
Started bubbling? Don't pick...
Cheese.
You're silly.
Cheese.
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 You're supposed to smile when you say cheese. What are we cooking?
Meat.
What are we gonna...
Hamburger meat.
Hamburger meat. What are we gonna put the hamburger meat in?
Sauce.
What are we making for Daddy?
Spaghetti.
Yummy.
I don't burn my hand.
What's on...
All the glove on.
You put a glove on? That was a good
I
idea.
don't burn my hand.
Good job.
I don't burn this hand.
Good boy. Don't touch, okay?
What's in there?
What's on there that can burn you?
Fire.
Yeah.
What's on? That's the grill. Stop. I don't burn my hand. I have to put glove on.
Good job.
What's in the oven? Why did you put it in the oven?
You want to cook some bread in the oven with our spaghetti?
Oh, hot. These are hot. These are hot.
Yeah, you got to be careful, right?
Say cheese.
Oh, you're going to get down and say cheese?
Cheese.
You're silly.
Cheese.
You're silly.
Cheese.
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 Are you a handsome boy?
It's all done.
You want me to stop now?
Stop now.